In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit and get into General. After that, hit on AirPlay and Handoff. And then right here at the very top, hit on Automatically AirPlay to TVs. For now, this option on my device set to Never, and I have to switch it either to Ask or to Automatic. Automatic is by default, so now I can hop out Settings and swipe down from the top right corner to open up Control Center. Now I can hit at that two rectangles icon to bring up screen mirroring feature, and now if some device appearing here, I can tap on that to mirror my iPhone screen to that device. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.